A sum of rupees 18,000 deposited at simple interest becomes 1,62,000 in 40 years. When will it become 10 times of the original? Now, 18,000 becomes the principal, 1,62,000 becomes the amount. So, simple interest is amount minus principal. Therefore, it comes out to be 1,44,000. Now, if you observe carefully, 1,44,000 is equal to 8 times the principal. Now, this 8 times the principal has become in 40 years. Now, we want to find out when will it become 10 times of the original. Okay. So 10 times of the original, that means we want the amount to be 1,80,000. That means we want to find out simple interest 1,62,000. Now, here we use the property of simple interest that it is constant every year. So it is becoming 8 times the principal in 40 years. Now we want the simple interest to be 1,62,000. That is 9 times the principal. So this is directly proportional. So we can assume this to be x years. And now we can cross multiply. So 8 is to 40, 9 is to x. If we solve this, we get x is equal to 40 into 9 upon 8. So therefore, we get the answer as 45. So answer will be 45 years, option A.